Is there anything a high-pressure water gun can't clean? We all know that high-pressure water guns work by using high-velocity water flow to impact dirt and grime. The higher the water pressure, the better the cleaning effect. The common pressure washers we use for cleaning floors have a pressure of about 250 atmospheres. Some pressure washers used for removing stubborn stains can reach pressures of nearly 1,000 atmospheres. With such powerful impact, they can damage not just dirt, but even cement. That's why construction sites also use high-pressure water guns to break up concrete. Their impact pressure can reach up to 3,000 atmospheres. But are high-pressure water guns invincible? Not at all. If you look at carpet cleaning workers, they generally avoid using high-pressure water guns, since carpets have soft surfaces that absorb the water gun's impact. Low pressure won't clean the carpet effectively, while too much pressure will damage the carpet. Similarly, the paint coatings on road signs and car surfaces cannot withstand excessive pressure impacts. That's why they typically use brushes or low-pressure water guns for cleaning. In fact, most wall surfaces aren't directly cleaned with high-pressure water guns either. Instead, cleaning agents are sprayed first to dissolve the dirt. Then low-pressure water guns are used to rinse it away.